Cats and water, it's a classic love-hate relationship. You see, cats are descendants of desert-dwelling ancestors, which means they evolved to thrive in dry environments. Their fur is designed to keep them warm and dry, not to get soaked. When they encounter water, it disrupts their natural insulation, making them feel vulnerable and cold. Plus, their whiskers are super sensitive. When they dip them in water, it can feel overwhelming and uncomfortable. And let's not forget their grooming habits. Cats spend a significant part of their day cleaning themselves, and getting wet messes up all that hard work. Some cats might tolerate water for a quick splash, but most prefer to stay dry. So, the next time you see your feline friend giving you that disapproving look by the bathtub, remember, it's not personal. It's just their instinct kicking in.